Hey guys, welcome back. For today's look I decided to do a monochromatic makeup moment, so if you want to see how I created this look then just keep watching. So first I start by mapping out where I would like the eyeshadow to end using a lilac shade. I like to do this above the crease so that you can still see the eye look when I'm looking ahead. I blend out with a lighter shade and then going in with a deeper shade just to add some definition to the outer edges of the look, just blending it out with the same shade just to add that depth that I really want. Blending with the same first shade, cleaning up, going in with the eyeshadow glue and then some sparkle on the inner corner of course. Now doing my foundation using the About Face Performer foundation, blending it out, going in with the liquid contour. I usually use a liquid blush as well, but today I wanted to use this really pretty purple colourpop blush just to stick in with the purple theme. And then I went in to line my lips with a lip liner that looked a lot more purple in the packaging, and then finishing off with this Luxe lip oil. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching and I can't wait to see you next time.